Hey y'all, how y'all doing? What y'all doing? Welcome back. Today we have another Fashion Nova haul for you guys. This is more of a casual style Fashion Nova haul. Normally I do dresses, but today this is going to be something that I can wear, just going bowling or something like that instead of like wearing a dress. So let's get right into it. Okay, so before we get started, I want to show you guys these earrings. I also got these from Fashion Nova. They're super cute. I can only wear them for a limited amount of time because, they're not real. They'll start itching my ears. But anyway, I think they're cute. You can wear them for a little while. I like this one. It's stretchy. It's called Feel the Floral. This is a size medium. I like the colors. It's like tropical and summery, so I'll be able to wear this. This is a little casual dress. I guess you could dress it up if you wanted to, but to me, this is a casual dress. This is not something that I would dress up. This would be something that I would dress down. So I like this one. So this one I like too. It has like a little ruching on the side. It's called Happy Wife Mini Padded Shoulders or something like that. But I like this. This is very true. So take heed to this. This is what my husband says. That's the reason why I got it, because he says this. So anyway, so I like this one. This is cute. I think I'm gonna have to keep pulling it down though, so I may have to wear something underneath it. But other than that, I think this is super cute. Black is my favorite color. So let's get right into the next one. So this outfit is actually just this tube top here. I had every intention of trying this tube top on with some jeans, but it looks like the jeans are too big, so I'm gonna have to return them. But anyway, so this is called the Savage Tube. I said Savage Tube bodysuit. So this is a bodysuit. It has snaps. So I like this. This is super cute. The pants are gonna have to go back. I think this is jazzy, sexy. So I like this. It's cute. All right, let's get on to the next one. Alright, so this is like a little romper. This is called Catch Up to Me Romper. I love this little highlighted little lining thing here. This is so cute. I mean, the thing is black, but this little line here, it brings out the whole romper. I love this. And I can just work out in this. I can lounge in this. I can clean up in this. Do whatever I want to with this. I probably wouldn't go outside in public with this. That's just me. So don't come for me. That's just me. But I would definitely lounge around the house with this. All right, let's get on to our final outfits. All right, y'all, so this is the last outfit. This is, well, this says good vibes only. This shirt is called Feel the Vibes. It's a tunic top. And then I have these faux leather tummy tuck leggings here. And all 2021, this is what we're all about, good vibes, right? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, just leave it down in the comments and I will get back to you. I hope you guys enjoyed it.